I do make quite a few mistakes, and I show them on camera too. This glue, instant grab. Black ABS cement. Yeah. I'm sure you can figure out what happened there. Good thing those fittings are cheap. Alright, what did we get done today? I spent the whole day working on Abel. From sunup till right now, which is probably about 4 in the afternoon. I got all the radiant heat manifold stuff routed. We're connected to the Everspotcher. Hot water, cold water coming in, going through. We got a couple of T's that are going to come up into this sink and this reverse osmosis water filter system. This is a really nice kit. Comes with a ton of extra parts, extra filters, extra hardware. I will leave a link in the description for this bad boy. So I still have to connect all that stuff up, but I can't do that till I punch a hole in the floor for drain, gray water drain, and connect the sink. The sink just connects with this one piece here, and it just goes right into that little back-to-back 90. So I still have to do that. Got the little spigot for the filtered water mounted in the sink. The sink is mounted in there with some Sikaflex. Got the shower head mounted, or the shower shaft. I don't know what you call it. The wand is sitting over here. So this Sikaflex needs to dry before I even begin to mess around with this sink. I do not want to mess with that right now, so we're gonna let that dry overnight. I can come back tomorrow and make the drain connection on the sink there. What a long day. I had to run to the store 3 or 4 times to pick up parts. Back and forth and back and forth. Ran some electrical for the fridge the other day. I can't even remember what I got in my last video, so I'm probably telling you guys stuff that you've already heard before, but that's just the way it goes. Mattress showed up today. It's sitting in a box out here. Back there. So once I get done putting all this stuff back together, we'll lower the bed frame down and we'll put the mattress on there, and then got to drill a couple of holes in the unistrut for these locking pins, so when it's in the up position, you know the deal. But yeah, long day today, guys. Lots done. I am hoping tomorrow I will be able to test this system out, even though it's going to be, I don't know, 80 degrees or something like that. I want to get the coolant burped and pressure test it. Make sure all those fittings are seated correctly. Same with the water fittings, all these PEX fittings. I've never used PEX before with the clamps, so it makes me kind of nervous. I don't know what's going to happen. Who knows? It's probably just fine. It's just me being paranoid. But anyways, I think that's probably going to be it for this episode, guys. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. But as always, hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.